It is a new fight for the military. Soldiers now wearing the uniform of protection in the battle against a virus which has already claimed the lives of thousands of people. In the capital, Madrid, the epicentre of Spain's crisis, military teams ventured into care homes to disinfect the properties. The country's overwhelmed hospitals have asked homes to look after seriously ill people, but the sites lack sophisticated machinery, and there are reports of bodies being found in some premises when the military went in.
And there are many people over 70 years old here in Madrid. There are many people in their residences, and in fact, we have a great problem to control the virus and to reduce the deaths in the residence.
So many have died in the capital that an ice rink is being used as a temporary morgue to store bodies. Hearses arrive throughout the day. Hospitals are overwhelmed, with patients queuing in corridors to be seen. But it's not just the elderly now succumbing to the virus. 41-year-old Oliver Camarino posted warnings to friends after being admitted to intensive care in Barcelona with coronavirus. He's now recovering at home from where we spoke to him.
When I was in the hospital, the doctors told me that there were a few other young guys in the hospital, even younger than I was, healthy guys, and they were in intensive care as well. And it's upsetting. I also had a discussion with friends who still now are telling me that, you know, when you see news of younger people getting sick, it's just anecdotal, that it doesn't really happen to everyone. And it's very frustrating, because if they can only experience one day of what I experienced for 10 days, they will definitely change their mind.
A vast conference centre in Madrid is being transformed into a 5,500-bed hospital to treat coronavirus patients. Doctors in Spain say whilst emergency equipment is coming through, the sheer numbers needing treatment is a challenge.
I think that we have all the different clothing and we have all the material to can attend our patient, but it's a very difficult situation in our public sanitary system.
But doctors and nurses are buoyed by the success stories from their efforts. Here cheering the first patient to be released from a field hospital in the capital.
Quédate en casa!
And medical staff also applauding the residents who have obeyed the order to stay indoors. A lockdown in force for weeks yet in an effort to stop the virus spreading further. Michelle Clifford, Sky News, Brussels.